In this video, we're diving into how you can take advantage of TikTok's ad credit promo, what it takes to qualify, how to pace your budget, and simple tactics to make the most of the rebate without wasting money. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter systems for growth and make better business decisions. Now, have you ever looked at a big ad credit offer and thought, is this real or is it just a trap to make me overspend? If that's the case, you're not alone. The truth is, deals like this can be great if you plan your spend and measure your results. If you don't, you can burn cash and end up with nothing to show for it. Today, we'll keep it practical. What this promo actually is in plain English. So this current promo that TikTok is running has 5 different tiers. After you register, you have 30 days to hit a spend threshold. If you do, you receive the matching reward. If you spend $200, you get $200 in credits. Spend $500, get $500 in credits. Spend $1,500, get $1,000 in credits. Spend $6,000, get $4,000 in credits. And if you spend $10,000, you can get $6,000 in credits. So when do you get the reward? For the $200, $500, $1,500, and $6,000 reward tiers, rewards are granted on day 31. Based on your total spend across the 30 days. For the $10,000 tier, rewards are granted immediately after you hit the threshold. Now here's an important date to keep in mind. All rewards expire on October 31st, 2025, no matter when you earned them. So if you unlock a credit, you still need to use it before that date. That's the entire deal in one glance. The rest of this guide helps you choose the right tier and build a plan to qualify and use the credits the smart way. Who this is for? Implied by the plan. Brands and stores already running ads and ready to scale with a clear plan. Creators or product owners who can produce new creatives fast. Agencies managing client accounts where a credit can offset testing costs. If you're brand new, you can still use this guide. Just keep your first tier small and your tracking tight. How to pick the right tier. All right, let's start here with a simple question. If this reward didn't exist, would you still spend that amount this month? If the answer is no, pick a lower tier. Rebates should reward plans that you already believe in, not push you into a panic spend. So take a quick self-check for the offer. Do you have an offer that converts with cold traffic at a reasonable cost? Creatives. Can you launch several ad variations each week? Tracking. Are you set up to see purchase events and cost per result in real time? Cash flow. Can you fund the spend before the reward lands? Day 31 or immediate for the $10,000 option. So a simple tier chooser. $200 or the $500 tiers. These are great for first-time testing or a small push. The $1,500 tier is solid for serious testing of new products and creatives. The $6,000 tier is for stores with steady sales and a plan to scale in a controlled way. The $10,000 tier is for brands with proof of product market fit and strong cash flow. Credit is immediate upon hitting the threshold, which does help. The clock. How the 30-day window works. Day 0, registration date. The 30-day timer starts from here. Days 1 through 30, spend accrues toward your chosen tier. Day 31, reward lands for the first 4 tiers. Any day you hit $10,000, reward lands immediately. Then still expires October 31st, 2025. Here's a tip. Don't wait until day 20 to get serious. Spread your spend so that you can course correct with real data. Picking plans you can copy. All right, let's break the 5 tiers into pacing examples. Goal is to spend smoothly, learn fast, and avoid a last-minute sprint. Tier 1, spend $200, get $200 in credits. The pace is about $7 per day for 30 days or $20 per day for 10 days if you want to move quickly. The plan. Use this for a single product test or a lead magnet. Launch 3 to 5 ad variations. Trim the losers after 3 to 5 days. Tier 2. Spend $500, get $500 in credits. This pace is more about $17 per day for 30 days or $50 per day for 10 days. The plan here, test 2 angles, maybe UGC versus a founder demo, 2 hooks each and 2 formats. 9x16 video and an image. Keep the daily budget steady to gather clean results. Tier 3. Spend $1,500, get $1,000 in credits. This pace is about $50 per day for 30 days or $100 per day for 15 days. This plan is great for proper creative sprints. Launch 6 to 10 videos in week 1. Roll the budget into winners in week 2 and use week 3 for iteration in week 4 to scale. Tier 4, spend $6,000, get $4,000 of credit. This pace is $200 per day for 30 days or a step-up plan. For example, $1,500 per day week 1, $200 per day week 2, and $250 per day week 3 and 4. The plan. You need a reliable store funnel and working ads. Add promo days, for example, 48-hour flash sales, to keep your blended CPA headed in the right direction. A tier 5, spend $10,000, get $6,000 in credit. Immediate reward. The pace here is $333 per day for 30 days, or you could ramp up. Week 1, $250 per day. Week 2, $350 per day. Week 3, $450 per day. And week 4, $500 per day. For this plan, treat this like a scale plan with daily guardrails. The instant reward helps you cash flow, but only if your CPA is above your target. So use strict rules to pause underperformers. Using the reward before it expires, October 31st, 2025. Think of the credit as fuel for what's already working. Winner amplification. Put the credit behind your best creatives and best audiences. New product push. Use the credit to launch a related SKU to your proven buyers. Holiday runaway. Line up a short promo window to turn the credit into cash, but keep margins in check. Set a reminder. Use or lose by October 31st, 2025. Don't leave the free budget stranded. Simple, reliable campaign structure. You don't need anything fancy to qualify and learn. Campaign level. 3 to 5 campaigns max. Prospecting, broad. Let the algorithm hunt. Prospecting. Interest stack, 2 to 4 interest themes tied to your product. Retargeting, 7, 14, 28 day. Low budget, but high return. Spark/UGC tests, a sandbox for creator content and hook testing. Ad set level, keep it clean. 1 to 2 placements. Auto placements often work well on TikTok. Bid strategy, start with lowest cost. Budget, fixed daily budgets per ad set, avoid wild swings. Ad level, where the magic happens. Test hooks. First 3 seconds matter. Ask a question, show a result, or share a quick how I did it. Cut ruthlessly. Pause ads that don't hit your cost goals after a fair spend. For example, 2 to 3 times the target of CPA. Iterate. Keep winners fresh with small edits. Caption, CTA, opening frame. How to turn the credit into real growth, not just a vanity spend. So a credit is useful if it compounds a result that you've already proved. Here's how. Stack learning. Use paid spend to find a winning hook. Use the credit to scale that winner into a second audience. Seasonal timing. If your product has a seasonal window, use the credit to double down during peak demand. Ladder strategy. Hit the $1,500 tier first to prove the system. Then go for $6,000 next cycle with better odds. Example scenarios. Numbers you can model. Case A, $500 tier spend. Spend $500, get rewarded $500 on day 31. AOV, $50. Target CPA, $25. If you drive 20 purchases at $25 CPA, you break even on ad costs before the reward. When the $500 credit lands, you can put that into new tests or scale. Net, you turned learning money into future growth dollars. Case B, $1,500 tier. Spend $1,500, get rewarded $1,000 on day 31. AOV $60, target CPA $30. Suppose you get 45 purchases at $30 CPA. That's $2,700 revenue on $1,500 ad spend. Before the reward, your ad P&L might be near break even depending on the margin. With that $1,000 credit, you can fuel another round of growth, ideally on your now proven creatives. Case C, $10,000 tier, immediate credit. Spend $10,000, get rewarded $6,000 immediately. AOV $65, target CPA $35. If you can hold your CPA near $35, you'll generate around 285 purchases and $18,525 revenue from the initial push before LTV. The instant $6,000 credit lets you sustain volume or roll into a new product launch Just remember the October 31st, 2025 deadline. Tracking. Keep it simple, keep it honest. Events. Make sure your purchases or lead event fires and matches real orders. Naming. Name campaigns and ads so you know which hook and angle each one is. Daily sheet. Track spend, ROAS, and CPA, and notes. A simple spreadsheet beats guessing. Lag. Expect some sales to show late. Don't kill winners too soon. Give them a fair budget to prove themselves. Q&A, you might be wondering, can I qualify for more than one tier? You qualify for the highest tier that you hit in your 30-day window. Plan for one tier and hit it cleanly. What if I hit the threshold early? Great, you can hold steady or keep learning. Your reward timing still follows the rules above, so instant for $10,000 and day 31 for all other tiers. What happens if I earn a reward but forget to use it? It expires on October 31st, 2025. Set a calendar, set a reminder now. Should I sprint at the end if I'm short? Only if your CPA is on target or close. A last minute rush with poor ads can blow your margin. Better to lock in a lower tier than miss both the result and the rebate. Make the credit work for you. This promo can be a smart way to fund learning and scale what already works, but the credit itself doesn't fix weak offers or tired creatives. Your job is to keep the plan simple. Pick the right tier, pace your spend, test fast, and double down on what wins. If you do that, the reward isn't a gamble, it's a booster. So if you want to get started with this TikTok ad credit, you'll go ahead and find the link down below in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here where if you see this little thing in the bottom right-hand corner, you can go ahead and click on that and get all of the information right here and just click on get started to get started. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.